it red now?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. So we're on our way now. We're on our way now to Kmart, to Bateau Bay Square. That's where we're going, and we're going into Kmart. We just got to go look for a cord and something for lunch. Okay, I got my princess with me, who is my camera person. What a lovely day this is today. School holidays. How many days you got off? How many weeks?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Woo-wee!
So much been 1 week?
Just started. Today's the second day.
That 4.
No.
No, third.
You had the weekend.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we just gone
It's
past
just on
the
video. What the heck?
No, leave it, it's going.
Oh,
Look, see, it's red.
sorry.
Yeah, it's still going. See the red on the other side?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
it's
just
still-
can't see the screen.
Yeah, it's alright, yeah, it's okay. You're missing me.
Oh,
I think you just press the...
red?
No, the
Side?
screen, yeah. Well, the screen. There, see? No. Yeah, right. It's alright, we're learning as we go.
I've never done this before.
Yeah, it's alright. It's all good, sweetheart. We're both learning, you and me. Are you watching the road, or can you see the road?
Yeah.
Okay. Because when we go back, we're gonna cut out all this bit. We just do the main bit.
Tickets and a getaway to Pearl Jam Live.
Like you said, editing.
You can edit on your laptop.
Yeah, that's why we're gonna go get the cord. It's got to go from here, the camera, to the laptop.
It's getting darker.
Yeah,
Screen?
yeah. But as long as you got the red flash there,
Yeah.
that means it's still recording. Maybe you can stop if you want sooner, and then when we find a park.
Do I just click this side or that?
No, press the top. Okay, here we are, guys. We're at Bay Village, Bateau Bay Square. So we're gonna go inside. Let's have a look.
Oh,
Just have a look. We'll just have a look at the car park. Okay, it looks like all the car park, disabled car parks have been taken. So we're lucky enough to find a car park wide enough so I can open my door. So anyway, around. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys. Look, looks like all the disabled car park's been taken. If you can look over there, there's a car parks here. The car park's over there, just not wide enough. But this is where we parked, just wide enough. Okay, so we're about to walk into the shopping center. So and it's well, we've got one step, so it's not too bad for somebody. Oh, got my walking stick, disabled leg. Yeah, it's not too bad. One step here. For the car park, I think I'll give it about another, maybe a 4 Out of 10? Yeah, what do you think? Just not enough.
Yeah.
Not enough car park.
I agree.
Not enough car park for the disabled. Agree. Okay. Let's go into Kmart. Yep. You can turn it off. Yeah, okay. So we're just coming out of Kmart. We got what we wanted. We had a bit of lunch, and we're heading out to. Where are we going to?
We're going to
The entrance.
the entrance.
The four shores of the entrance. We're going to have a look. Oh, we park over there. We're going to have a look at the four shores of the entrance. See what the entrance has to offer. Okay, come with us. We can go. Yep. Okay, let's start the car. Let's get out of the car park.
How hard was it to get in the car park, Tua?
Well, it wasn't that hard and wasn't that easy either. You know, all the disabled car park was taken.
Well, what did we eat for lunch?
I had sushi for lunch.
I had sushi too.
Did you?
Yeah.
Well, you're lucky. You're not looking at me, sweetheart. Alright, you can look at the cars now. Okay, somebody.
Turn off?
No, it's alright, leave it on. Just look at the cars. Turn towards the car.
Oh.
Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. There's a policeman.
Put it down?
No, it's alright.
At least the policeman didn't see us.
So we're on the main road now. This is Pacific Highway. We're on the Pacific Highway now. Friends, my fellow coasties. We're on the Pacific Highway on our way to the entrance. To the entrance four shores. Go check them out. What's happening down there today?
There might be a lot of tourists.
Well, school holidays, yes. We're expecting some tourists.
I'm videoing you. Yeah, still.
We're gonna merge right here. We're merging. Yes.
We're just about to go past Long Jetty Park.
There's parks on both sides.
Yeah.
One
There's
there.
that park and that park.
Yes.
That's the Rocket Park, and I have no idea what that park is called.
Lion Park.
Oh no, we called that park the Rocket Park. But I don't know what that other park is.
This is where Tua got the car done, in there.
Yeah.
There, in that one. And over here, at the front here, on the left.
I'm showing everybody.
Yeah. We've got the interior, look at this. Right, we've got the interior done. It was falling apart. And we got it done here. So we're carpet court. In there. That's where
He got it done, the carpet court.
Yes. And this is Long Jetty. Tell them we're coming through Long Jetty.
We are going to Long Jetty right now. As we speak.
Yes.
bit about your day?
My day so far so good.
How did you start your day?
You can't see me.
Am I looking at you?
Yeah, well, you can't because you were going up here.
Sorry.
My day? Oh, I've got to go to the doctor's this afternoon for a flu shot because winter's coming and I don't like winter, so I'm gonna get myself covered by having a flu shot.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't even notice that that top was done.
Yeah. It's cool. So we're still in Long Jetty?
Yes, we are.
Yeah.
We're heading to the entrance right now.
Yes. Watch out, entrance. Oh, show them the Jolly Good
This is the Jolly Good restaurant.
restaurant. That's Indian men. It's Indian, owned by Indian men from Bar. Jolly Good restaurant. Raj. His name is Raj.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's Tom's favourite club. It's Diggers.
Hey.
What else am I supposed to do? Anything else you would like to say?
No. We're just let me concentrate now.
Okay. Can I stop?
You can if you want.
We are back.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we are, my fellow coasties.
We're back.
We're here at the car park at the Entrance Memorial Park. So now we've got to look
For a disabled
for
park.
disabled parking. There should be plenty of disabled parking here because your man is a disabled person who has a disabled sticker, which we go right here, parking there. This one
Right
right here, yeah.
That's going to be where we're going today.
Yeah, we're parking right here.
They have such big trees here. There you go.
Okay. You right?
Yeah.
Oh, need to get.
The disabled sticker.
So I need to get that out. Can't
That-
forget this one. We have to display this on our dashboard.
Yeah.
Okay, here we
That's
go.
the disabled sticker to park in the disabled spot if you're disabled.
Yep.
What a thing. Hope all of you guys are doing good. Tell us, comment, how was your day?
Okay, where are you, Shuna?
I'm gonna hand this over to you.
Okay, thank you. All right, fellow coasties, we are here at the Entrance Memorial Park. So on this side we've got 1, 2,
That's not one.
3. We've got 3 disabled parking right close to the.
Not a disabled.
Oh, isn't that a disabled parking?
No, that one's not.
Okay, and that's the amenities over there, and that building over there is the
There's
toilet.
a car behind you.
Okay. So this is the council amenities over here. Oh, look at that car. Oh, look at that. Sports car. Ferrari.
No, I don't think it's a Ferrari.
And there's the memorial park over there. So we've got more more disabled parking over here for long vehicles. So if you have a bus, you're traveling by bus, you can
And it's
I mean, you can park there. Here's another
that
one.
wasn't a very short. That's a very short car. I think they didn't read it.
Yeah, so this is the car park at the Entrance Memorial Park, and you can see over there, that's Tuggerah Lakes. So there's no step. Oh dear, close.
Close. That car nearly hit a different car.
Yeah. Cross. So that's Tuggerah Lakes.
Isn't here a very
Over
popular fishing area? Or sort of?
Sort of. So there's a few. You don't want to be parking too far away from the amenities. Huh? All the public amenities. Alright, let's go over here.
Let's head to the beach part.
This is Tuggerah Lakes.
There used to be a step, but I don't. There's still one step.
There's a
like
step.
two
Oh,
steps.
there's a step over there.
There used to be two set of stairs. I mean, 3 set of stairs, but they got demolished by all that sand.
The sand.
The sand
And
the
over there.
Over
let's-
there, there's
let's see
2
the little-
sets of stairs.
Yeah, see the little opening over there, guys? That's the mouth of the Tuggerah Lakes, and over the other side is the Pacific Ocean. Look at the water, a bit dirty.
It's not very good to swim in
No.
right now.
So yeah, guys, here we are.
Make sure when you come here, don't drop any of your belongings in there, because that water might maybe be too deep
Yeah.
for you to jump
here
in
we
and
are.
grab your belongings. So be careful, guys.
It is very ability. You can get here. There's no steps.
No steps
There's plenty of car
whatsoever,
park.
unless you want to go on a Ferris wheel or something.
Yeah. So it's all good. The Ferris wheel's happening over there. It's all good. All good. Beautiful. So pretty easy to get to. Lots of car park for us disabled people. What do you think, sweetheart? Is there plenty of park?
Yeah, it's better than the other one. That's for sure.
Better than Bay Village?
Yeah, that's for sure.
Yeah. All right. On that note, so yeah, so here we are at the Memorial Park, the entrance. We're checking out the disability parking. It's accessible.
Where else are we gonna go?
Oh, we haven't checked out the toilet. Can they go to the toilet?
I don't know.
Let's go have a look.
I'm not a mastermind.
Ferris wheel. It's going over there. It's school holidays at the moment. Second day, the first week. School holidays.
That's the 4th day.
No, it's the second day. Today's Tuesday. Yesterday, Monday, that's the beginning.
No.
No, we just finished the weekend. We just finished Saturday and Sunday. Which ways?
I don't know.
So
We haven't been here for a while.
So there's 2 parks over there, and this is for the council, ambulance or police emergency vehicle. So
Here's
yes,
little
Yeah.
extra.
Yes, you can come this way. Accessibility.
Yeah, I think you can do some.
Yep. So oh yeah. So the wheelchairs can come here, go through there. It's very accessible. Cool. Okay, let's go this way.
Where are we going to be walking to now?
Oh, don't think we'll be walking too far now. Phew.